So now what we can do is we can just go and mirror our skeleton right now. So let's mirror a main skeleton first. So what we'll do mirror skeleton, each skeleton separately, like the controls separately and the main skeleton separately as well. So I'll show you how to do that. First of all, we can exit the Python state, doesn't matter, and we type mirror and we find a mirror skeleton. And we just can mirror scale, and as a group we'll type name equals asterisk and GNT, oh actually L underscore, so all the left joints will be mirrored now. And then for the start we'll replace the L tokens with the right, and we will mirror by scale and direction X. That's cool. And let's turn on the visualize. Yep, that looks actually pretty cool. Let's just make it a little bit smaller. Yep, that looks actually cool. Actually, just to be sure, looks like the hip joint got kind of oriented with our leg. Let's investigate it. What's happened here? You see, that's why having your own rig visualize, it's pretty handy. What's going on here? Looks like, yeah, we're having a spines going there, but we're having I think our hip orientation is kind of messed up, but we can fix it super easily. So we just enter the Python state and we can go to our rig tree, and let's show us our hip. Let's just enter the Python state. We're just having our hip, and let's just show the handle. Yep, that was correct. Yeah, it looks like the hip just get reoriented, so we can fix it pretty easy. You remember, we can just zero it out and just go back with our selection, hip, zero it out, and sorry, it's just navigations. Cool. So now we'll just point it X down and Z forward, and that will be okay for us. Cool. So yeah, we can close the window, and now if we go escape and you just go back to, yep, that looks pretty cool. That looks good. And now if we go back to mirror and we connect the rig visualize to mirror, everything's nice, cool. And yeah, so that's nice. That everything looks pretty good here. Now let's mirror controls. That's gonna be pretty easy. We can just copy that node which we just use, and let's call it mirror CTRLS. Like mirroring controls, and obviously you're right, we need to change the search, so CTRL controls left to right, and yeah, that's it. So let's just have a check if we have a correct names. So you can open your geometry spreadsheet, you can type a name attribute that's just gonna filter that one attribute for us, and yeah, we have a right. Yeah, perfect. And the same thing here, we have our hip, main, right. Cool. That's actually perfect. So right, that's the last thing which is needed, is just to merge all of those guys together, and we just use the merge node. So that's gonna be our final skeleton here. Okay. Scale merge, and yeah, and we're gonna start our rigging from there.